we're heading out to view this property. I've got Chloe with me. Hello. Ready to walk it with me? First of all, the size of the land is crazy. Like, compared to what I used to be in, the amount of space is just unreal. It's almost like overwhelming because it's not like it's perfect and ready to plant grass or build. It's had, it seems like decades of overgrowth. There's so many vines and thorn bushes and craziness there that I don't even know what I need to do to clear that stuff off. I mean, and I'd like to put more money into the house than into the land, so that might be something that I try to do myself. So, you know, what is that going to be like? I'm not sure. Chloe, let's take a look at this tree over here.
Okay.
Oh, hear that bird?
Bird? I don't see it at all.
Check out this tree. Think we could use this tree for a tree house?
Yeah. Hi.
Hi.
I got you.
Hi. Yeah.
Oh, how do you know?
They said it was around here. There's a well.
Oh. Is it in the trees?
No, it will be in the ground.
It's in the ground?
Should be. Where exactly? I don't know.
Is it underneath it? Like, is it abandoned well?
It's definitely abandoned.
No, is it underneath, like in the ground?
Somewhere like that, yeah.
Then we're gonna have to dig to find it.
Yep. And we've got that beautiful line of trees in the back.
People might find out they dig in the ground, right? To make the house? Right?
Yes. Somebody can help us find it.
Yeah.
When I first saw the land, I didn't realize how nicely located it was. It's nestled in between thousands of protected forests. It's right next to the Reclaiver River. There's so little traffic, it's insane. Like, I've spent an hour or so there and literally no other car drove by, which blows my mind because it felt like every 10 minutes in my old house there was a car, a truck, a delivery van, something driving by. It's an ideal place to build a house. It's an ideal place to build a house.
What is that flag right there for?
Was that there before?
We'll check it out.
It just has a 16 on it.
What does 16 mean?
I don't know.
Does that mean where the well is? Is this where it could be?
Could be.
Did they bury it where this is? The 16 means?
Maybe.
What does the 16 mean that's something bad?
Like 16 people died there?
Yeah. What if that was so, that probably a murderer lived here.
Or it's just abandoned.
It has to be a murderer or a fire that did it.
Are you excited, Chloe? Here we are. Check this out. So what'd you think?
I like it.
Definitely where we should build, do you think?
Okay. Maybe on grass.
On the grass?
Yes, and a turtle. So we have a pet turtle on the ground.
We should put a fence around the turtle?
Yes. Only if it's a turtle, though. You never know. It could be a wolf.
A wolf?
Or a dead person.
Or a dead person. Okay.
The people usually are buried.
Sure. Lots of options. Too many options. Okay.
How we just build a fence because it could be something, right?
Good point. We'll definitely have to have a fence. Agreed. Well, so that's the land. I think this could be awesome. What do you mean on rec?
On the camera.
That's record.
But why filming?
So I can tell a lot of people about what we're doing. Did you see my other videos? Oh, you need to subscribe to my YouTube channel.
I don't have an account though.
Have you subscribed to my YouTube channel? Hold on.
The S-T-E-F might mean P-H-A-N?
You see, you know how to spell my name. How do you spell our last name?
B-A-R-R-E-T-T.
High five.
Oh, I found it!